Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish Academy. This is episode 252, and guess what? I have some new gear to play with. I was at YM Camera yesterday, and they were kind enough to give me this Luminous Pro LED ring light from Savage. And what I really like about this ring light is the price tag. It comes in at $119. Oh, okay, that's pretty nice. And guess what? I'm working on some things in my basement that I'm really excited about for these live videos, and it involves this ring light. So I'm unboxing it. I have not opened it yet. I'm super excited about this LED light. Let's see what we have here. Oh, here are all the features. Shoe mount. Oh, it says you can mount it on your camera or a stand. 240 chip, daylight balanced, cool running ring light. All right, that sounds pretty good. It looks like it maybe has a gel on it. Does it say? I see something here. Whoa, whoa. Let's not break the light. Let's not do that. Okay. Nice carrying bag. Let's see what's inside. There are, some diffuser panels, it looks like. Whoa, that looks pretty nice. So the ring lights that I'm used to working with have bulbs, not these like miniature LED lights. Hi, Jenny. Hi. So I'm kind of excited about that. That looks good. Let's see what else we have in here. And I'm going to fire this up later today. I'm actually going to be at YM Camera most of the day. It's Fuji Day. So if you want to hang out with me, then definitely come join us. But later in the day, my plan is to play with this light. Oh, it does. Look. Oh, now we can gel this light. It does have panels. Obviously, we have a power adapter. Okay, so it looks like we have two sets of panels here. We have these gels and these. Raina says, what do you use a ring light for? Mara uses hers all the time for portraits. All the time. I mean, she does boudoir, but also portraits. So you could use it for that. I'm going to use it for live videos, both with my phone and my DSLR, which I'm super excited about. And it has these. And it's $100, Raina, and you can take it with you and make light. I think it's going to make really nice light. I don't know where you live. Kidding, I do. But in Western Pennsylvania, it's kind of dreary sometimes, and you need a little help from a ring light. What do we have here? I'm going to get this mounted probably in a couple minutes. I want you to join me over in the Flourish Academy community for our weekly Q&A. I'm going to do that here in just a few moments. Oh, it's just an adapter. Okay, so I'm going to let you know how this goes. This is the large 13-inch opening Savage LED ring light. YM Camera has these in stock. They are $120. I think it's going to be really nice. And to me, you know, when you're in the photography realm, when you hear of something that is less than $1,000, it seems pretty cheap. At least it does for me, right? Because if we're not talking a lens, everything else is like, oh, that's nothing. Yeah, it's a continuous light, a continuous LED. So obviously it does not get hot. You know, like previously you would have problems with that. So, and low power usage, all of that fun stuff. It has, the snap-on clear diffusers, snap-on warm diffusers, the carrying bag, even flicker-free light. Hey, that's actually important because I used to have a ring light, like I said, that was a bulb and it would flicker. I didn't care for that. That might not matter when you're taking still photos, but for my videos, it was a huge problem. I couldn't use it because of that. So I'll let you guys know how this goes. Do you have a ring light? Do you use the ring light? I know some of my portrait photographer friends do. Are you interested? Do you care? What does it do? Leave a comment, share, like. Oh, Charlie says, would this be similar to a softbox light? I'm looking into studio lights. I mean, they're going to produce different types of catch lights in the eyes, different levels of power. They both produce continuous light if you're using a softbox and a continuous light. If you're using a softbox with a strobe, then it's going to look different. It's going to have more power on a strobe. It just depends on the light. So you can't really compare them until you would have something equal to it. So Depends on what kind of light you're going for. I hope that you found this useful. Hey, make sure you hang around. I'm going to jump in on the FA community here in a moment, and we'll hit with those Q&As. I'll see you in the next video.